Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you hit that subscribe button in the next 3 seconds, something amazing will happen to you in the next 6 hours. Don't miss out, try it now and see the magic, sparkles. Today, we'll discuss the #1 way you may unknowingly harm your liver daily. Many people are unaware of this, but understanding it is critical. The first 4 letters of the word liver spell live, emphasizing that this organ is essential for a long, healthy life. Liver disease and acute liver failure are serious conditions with significant fatality rates. In the United States alone, 50,000 people die annually from acute liver failure, and globally, this number rises to approximately 2 million. Clearly, protecting liver health is a priority. What contributes to liver damage? Several diseases can lead to liver failure. 1. Viral hepatitis. This liver infection causes chronic inflammation. 1. The suffix itis means inflammation. 2. Autoimmune hepatitis, an autoimmune disorder where the body attacks its own liver. 3. Bile duct scarring and parasitic infections, both can impair liver function. 4. Cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. These metabolic conditions overwhelm the liver, causing inflammation and subsequent damage. Some of these factors, like viral hepatitis or autoimmune diseases, are largely beyond our control. However, managing lifestyle, eating well, and reducing stress can mitigate their impact. In contrast, cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes are preventable and manageable through lifestyle changes. For most people, these conditions are tied to habits and choices, not genetics. Lifestyle choices that harm the liver. Let's explore the key lifestyle factors contributing to liver damage, factors you can control. Alcohol consumption. While alcohol remains a significant cause of liver damage, it's no longer the leading one. Excess sugar intake. Sugar, especially its fructose component, is now a major contributor. Fructose, found in table sugar, corn syrup, and agave, is especially harmful to the liver. It is metabolized differently from other carbohydrates and can overwhelm the liver when consumed in excess. Drug abuse. Heavy drug use stresses the liver, as it must process and detoxify any foreign substances entering the body. Processed seed oils. Oils like corn, soybean, and safflower oil, high in omega-6 fatty acids, disrupt the body's fatty acid balance, leading to chronic inflammation and liver stress. Smoking. Smoking reduces oxygen availability in the body, impairing every cell, including those in the liver. Over-the-counter, OTC, medications. Many OTC drugs, including acetaminophen, Tylenol, strain the liver. Excessive or prolonged use can lead to severe liver damage. Medications like ibuprofen, aspirin, and naproxen also contribute to liver stress when combined or overused. The liver's vital role. To fully understand liver damage, you must first grasp its importance. The liver is responsible for 1. Producing bile, essential for breaking down fats. 2. Detoxifying toxins, converts harmful compounds into water-soluble forms for elimination. 3. Regulating cholesterol, breaks down old cholesterol and produces new cholesterol. 4. Managing hormones, processes hormones to ensure they remain active only as needed. 5. Processing macronutrients, handles fat, protein, and carbohydrates. 6. Storing glycogen, helps regulate blood sugar and energy levels. In total, the liver performs over 500 chemical reactions daily, working continuously to maintain balance. The concept of body burden. Body burden refers to the accumulation of toxins and metabolic waste over time. The liver manages both. 1. Internal toxins, byproducts of natural metabolism. 2. External toxins, pesticides, pollutants, and synthetic chemicals. While the liver has a finite capacity, this burden increases with poor lifestyle choices, potentially leading to damage and failure. The most common cause of acute liver failure, acetaminophen, Tylenol, is the leading cause of acute liver failure in the United States. Many OTC products, including Nyquil, Excedrin, and Mucinex, also contain acetaminophen, adding to the strain. Overdoses can destroy up to half the liver's cells in under a week. However, the liver is highly regenerative. It can recover lost cells within a month, provided no additional stresses impede the process. The bigger picture. The liver's biggest challenge today stems from modern life. Over the past 50 years, industrialization has introduced numerous stresses, environmental toxins, chemicals, and artificial substances that our ancestors never faced. To protect your liver, it's essential to 1. Reduce processed foods and sugars. 2. Limit alcohol and medication use. 3. Avoid smoking and manage stress. By taking proactive steps, you can safeguard your liver and overall health. 1. Subscribe to our channel for more life-changing health insights. 2. Turn on notifications to stay informed about the latest tips for a healthier you. 3. Like, comment, and share this video to help others become more aware of these hidden risks. Your liver's health is your health. Make the changes today for a stronger, healthier tomorrow. Herb.